It's definitely been a busy past couple months, from Venice for competitions to Vegas for a friend's Dirty 30 to last weekend, my brother and I and friends, we went to North Carolina to visit our brother for a little birthday rendezvous. It was my brother and I, it was our birthday on the 24th. So that was awesome. That was our first time going out to North Carolina and visiting. Good times. I guess I made a little bit of a vlog, if you will. I think it was the video before this. I'll link it up here or here. I can't remember which side it goes to. But nonetheless, I hope that, relatively speaking, I hope that it's smooth sailing for you. Big news today. November 5th was the launch, or it was the pre-sale for the new heated beard brush from the Beard Struggle. Now, this has a special place for me because I actually helped design this brush, so super excited with it. Now that we've mentioned this brush, we might as well get into the details. So something that differentiates this brush from the rest is, if you can see at the end, there's actually a heated pick, if you will. Now, there's a couple reasons why I wanted to include this pick at the end and why we put it on here. One, so for some of you out there, I'm sure you can empathize with me, but there are times when we get a dent at our cheek line or our chin line, and so the pick at the end is used to pick that out and help kind of take away that dent from the beard. And so not only does this brush straighten the beard, but it also can help volumize the beard. And again, you use the end of the pick and you pick out your beard, and then you can kind of brush it down to straighten it out. So really cool, multifunctional. Let's get further into the details. Now, flipping this over and looking at the bristles, they do have an anti-scald design, in addition to the bristles just generally having a comfortable feel to them when you glide them on your skin. So they're comfortable and they help prevent you from burning yourself, which I guess is key. Now, going to the temperature settings, there's 3 settings and they are indicated by the light on the brush. Let me put it on right now. So the first light right here is going to give you 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you just click it one more time. That second setting is 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And one more time, that third setting is going to be 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I've said this before in previous videos, but you want to keep the heated beard brush straightener below about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, because that's going to help in regard to protecting your beard for damage. Now, speaking in regard to damaging your beard, the Beard Struggle does offer a Viking shield. It's a beard protectant for when you are straightening out your beard, so that's cool. Conveniently, the brush is cordless. It's rechargeable via USB Type-C, and it has about a 30-minute continuous runtime. Alrighty, so I think that pretty much concludes the details for now in regard to this brush. If you do have any additional questions pertaining to this heated beard brush, feel free to ask them in the comment section below, and I'll look at those and answer them to the best of my knowledge. Before I forget, I do have a 15% off discount code. You go to www.thebeardstruggle.com, and at checkout, you enter in Dan's Beard, you'll get 15% off, and there also is free shipping, which is key. I mean, if something doesn't have free shipping, we don't even worry about it. So it's cool that they're doing that. And I guess, as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.